you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I am going to be sharing with you the new Picante eyeshadow palette by the brand KARITY. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen me use their palettes before. I have not been obsessed with a palette since Juvia's Place eyeshadows. Those are, for me, those are the best eyeshadow in history right now. Like, they blend, they have quality, you know what I mean? And this comes up next. I've been loving, absolutely loving their quality, their pigmentation, everything about KARITY palettes I've been obsessed with. Today they had come out with this new Picante eyeshadow palette, which I'm going to be showing you guys on the eyes. But let me show you the palette. This is the font of the palette. This is the design of the palette. This is how they went for it. It's super cute. On the back you can see they have like all of the eyeshadow colors. It tells you a little bit about the eyeshadow as well, how many eyeshadow it brings, the ingredients and all that good stuff. Yeah, sort of your typical back design sort of thing. It also tells you that it's cruelty free. I love that about this brand, that they are 100% cruelty free, and I love that very much. So yeah, you guys, this is just the packaging of it in case you're interested. Now let's go on to the swatches. Here is the first row. The first row names are Delia, Fearless, Dune, Ambers, Pimento, Bronzed, Morning. The second row is Sunrise, Bobby, Fuego, Harvest, Highly, Flamenco, and Fanfarite. I don't know how to say that. The third row is Spicy, Passion, Epice, I don't know how to say that, Sass, Flora, Aish, and last but not least, Bittersweet. Those are all of the colors, you guys. I love how they swatched. I did swatch them once, but I did went back and forth. So yeah. So now let's go on and start with this eye look. Okay, you guys, weird enough, I'm starting with the first shade called Bittersweet. I'm gonna be applying this shade all over my crease. This is gonna go from the inner to the outer part of the crease. I'm going to be creating a cut crease today as well, so I'm gonna be applying this all over. First, I like to kind of like pack it on and then just blend it in slowly but surely. So this is the first shade I'm using, Bittersweet, once again. Once I'm done applying that shade all over the crease, I'm basically gonna go in with the shade Harvest, which is like an orangey shade, and it's super pretty, and I feel like the combination with this two is just like legit fall vibes, so I freaking love it. So I'm just applying that right on top of the first shade on the crease, just kind of mixing them two, and this is just gonna help the look more blended and more like gradient effect type of thing. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Super easy, super simple. I'm gonna cut it all the way out, cleaning the whole entire eyelid, and then we're gonna go ahead and start with the shade Delia, which is the lighter shade on the palette, and this is just to start mattifying the first part of the eyelid. Next, I'm going to follow that with the shade Bobby, and this is just to kind of create a gradient effect. I keep saying that, I know, but it's just to mix different colors and make it look more, a little bit more dramatic. You guys, how freaking pretty does this look? I'm completely obsessed how this look is turning out. I haven't been really feeling doing looks, and when I don't feel like doing looks, you guys, like everything feels like shit to me. But today I'm definitely feeling this, and I hope you guys are feeling it too. So if you're still watching, give this shit a thumbs up, girl, cause if you see my view lately, I'm struggling. But I'm also gonna be applying the shade, the darker shade on the palette, Bittersweet, and drag it all the way out to the outer parts of the eyes, and it looks absolutely bomb, you guys. I love how it blends, so easy to work with. I swear, like, it's so easy. So to take this look a little bit up a notch, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of liquid lipsticks. I'm gonna use different colors. I don't have like bomb bright colors, so I'm just gonna use the ones that I have, which are these colors right here, this pink, this dark blue, and I'm just gonna basically create a little bit of dots on the inner parts of the eyes, adding different colors just to make it look more dimensional. And then after that, I'm just gonna a wing line with the 3 different shades. Okay, so I'm gonna take my roller lash mascara just to finish up this look. I really don't know what to do on the bottom lashes much, but I think I'm gonna keep it like that just to not overdo this look, because usually when I overdo things, it's just, let's apply a little bit of mascara. I might apply something on my waterline. Okay, you guys, so I finished the other eyes. Let's go ahead and apply some lashes now. I'm super excited. I got my lash book here, and I'm gonna be using these lashes right here that I freaking love so much.
Fall asleep. It becomes a reflex after time.
I think I'm gonna add this pink on my waterline, you guys, just to make it look a little bit more poppin'. And to finish this look off, you guys, I'm gonna use the J Manual lip liner and also this Urban Decay gloss in the shade SPL. So this is the end of the look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this eye look tutorial. I have to say, you guys, I haven't loved a palette as much as I used to, as much as I love the Juvia's Place eyeshadows. Those are, like, for me, they are the top best eyeshadow ever made in history, and in the easier eyeshadows to work with, everything in general, you guys. I love this eyeshadow. And this palette, I am completely obsessed. I love the way it works. I love how easy it is to blend with them. I love the color combination. I really love the brand KARITY, you guys. They really bringing it into the market. Like, they're legit coming out with some amazing colors, amazing quality, like everything for such a good price. Like, this is my favorite palette right now. I have to say, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Anyway, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I definitely will have more looks with this palette in case you guys are interested on it. I'll leave everything, the links where you can buy it and all that good stuff. But without further ado, babes, don't forget to subscribe and become part of the Sassy Babe family. Until next time, I'll see you.